AFP-PNP Company Detachment. According to the Crisis Management Manual of 2000, the AFP-PNP Company Detachment are as following: NSC 2000, page 57. There are 4 company and detachment. First is Philippine National Police. Second is Philippine Army, Philippine Navy, and Philippine Air Force. Philippine National Police. There are regional level, provincial level, city or municipal level, then regional level. Regional level is command service as the crisis management force with the regional director acting as the police member, and the regional designate a deputy regional director as the PNP tactical commander. Then provincial level is the Philippine National Police command assigned as provincial becomes the crisis management force by the provincial director of PNP tactical commander. Then city and municipal, chief of police designate as the commander as the crisis management force responsible for the tactical commander during crisis operation in cities with Philippine Mobile Force companies. There are units and their commanders serve as the tactical. Philippine Army. There are regional level, provincial level, city, municipal level, and Philippine Army Special Unit. The Philippine Army Division assigned to the region form the Philippine Army Crisis Management Force with the division commander serving as the Philippine Army Tactical Commander during crisis management. Then, provincial level is the Philippine Army Brigade assigned to a nearest province becomes the Philippine Army, Philippine Navy. Regional, provincial, and city municipal. Then, Philippine Navy units or special units. Then, the Philippine Navy or Philippine Navy District Commander having the region of area operation shall be the Philippine Navy Crisis Management for the region. The Naval District Commander shall be the PNP Tactical Commander during crisis elements operation in the region. Provincial, city, municipal. The Naval District Commander concerned may assign specific Philippine Navy components of elements of provincial, of city, and municipal. Then the Philippine Navy Special Units Coast Guard as the Philippine Marines assigned by any of the foreign going levels of the nearest thereto may be designated as the Philippine Navy Tactical Action Intervention Units, the crisis management organization at the lower level. Philippine Air Force. The Philippine Air Force Composite Air Support Force or CESF assigned to the region shall be the Philippine Air Force Crisis Management Force that the region. Then provincial and city municipal commander may assign specific component of the elements as provincial of city municipal to provide air support to Philippine Navy. Then Philippine Air Force Special Unit or ginakuan siya PAFP any as the foreign going levels or nearest thereto may be designated as the PAF Tactical Action Intervention Units and the crisis management organization at the lower level.